Wow, you can remember all of them?
Yeah.
Ah, you're right.
Yeah. Wait. The tail's different. Look, you can see the tail. Look.
Oh,
The water's right there. The water's
you're right.
Look up there.
Wow. Oh wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're missing 2.
Already.
Oh. Good job. You're so brave. You not scared? Right, you like it, the new rainforest? Yeah? Okay, what's this?
Cheese curds. I think this is some type of spicy mustard
Ooh.
and ranch. I think this is ranch.
Tastes good?
Dad, I still remember that one. I remember one is sweet.
Oh, yours look very interesting. Mine's just the beastly burger.
This one's like the Disneyland.
Disneyland?
Remember the not so little chicken sandwich?
Not so little chicken sandwich, yeah.
It looks like that.
Dad, Lily didn't like the cheese. The hamburger.
I don't know how you eat this. So big. Yeah, baby. Baby, that's so funny.
Well,
Estaba mordiendo y no pude agarrar, solo es un little bite.
I like the burger.
Yeah?
And then you had the chicken sandwich.
It was good.
It was good?
Yeah. A lot of food. I cannot finish all.
Yeah, me too. I think you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like this video.
We'll see you on the next one.
I'll see you in the next.
See you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. The coco fry is still here.
Purple dragon.
Snake is still here. The snake is still here.
Alright guys, we gotta pick up Joshua.
The lion is still here.
I'm still here.